How many of you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Tired of being scared to open your checking account to see that you don't have the money to buy groceries, or you don't have the money to buy gas, or God forbid, you don't have the money to buy your kids' birthday presents or have a birthday party for them. I have been there my entire life. I know what it's like. I went into healthcare thinking that that was going to be my ticket out of debt, my ticket out of robbing Peter to pay Paul, and it wasn't. Healthcare does not pay what you are actually worth and what kind of work you do. So I started looking for a way to make income online so that I don't have to work 48, 60 hours a week all the time anymore, because as I get older, it's killing my body. So, I found this side hustle, this Legacy Builders program, where you can actually earn money. It is a legit program. You earn money online working just a couple hours a day, you guys. It is an amazing program with great community support. If you're interested or you want more information on this side hustle and a way to get out of debt, a way to get your financial freedom back so you can start spending time with your family and enjoying life again, and stop working for somebody and busting your butt for somebody else to make them rich so that they get to live their dreams, why not make yourself rich and live your own dreams? Like, right? Why not? Let's do this. Put ready in the comments. Let me get you out the information, and I will help guide you through this ordeal, through this getting yourself out of debt. I mean, it's an amazing opportunity. You might as well jump on while, internet's getting bigger and bigger every day. So let's do this, you guys. Let me help you get into financial freedom. Have a great day.